So we're at the gym now, and as you can see, it's a wonderful underground ex-war bunker, I believe. So what I'm going to do now is just show you these plyometrics. Sorry for making you dizzy then if I did. Show you these plyometrics. All we need to do is put like a square, find a cross on the floor. I've just got this white tape which leaves no mark or trace or anything, and it's really easy to put down and take off. So let's get into them. I'll show you them, and it's really nice and simple. So there you go, you can see just a nice simple cross. You don't even need to use tape, you can just find somewhere like on a pavement, and there you go. With these ones it's really nice and simple. You just need to keep your feet together but not touching, and just bounce forwards and backwards across the line. Try and be as close to the line as possible without standing on it. These next ones, what you're just going to do is single-legged, basically, well, same as before, just do it with one foot, and also then obviously do it on both feet. As you can see with me, I'm a little bit weaker on my right foot with my stability and everything, but it's meant to challenge you and you will improve in time, and as you can see, I need some improvement. Not everybody is perfect. Then obviously using the square another way, you're going to just bounce to the side and side off of the line. Try not to go on the line again, and try not to have your feet touching so that they're working independently. Let's do the same also, just single-legged as well, and very simple. Just side to side and try and be as close to the line. Once again, switch legs, and as you can see, I may be having a bit of difficulties, but that's fine. Just try and do your best, and this one, you're just going to bounce around with both feet around in the square, going in one direction, trying to stay as tight to the center as possible. And then obviously do the same again, go the opposite way around. You'd be surprised how difficult it is to just do it the other way around. You'll find also one way around is easier than the other, but great to practice both directions. Right, there you go. There's some really easy plyometrics for runners to increase your ankle stability and strength, but also to give you power through that stride. Really good to follow. What I'd suggest for a beginner, if you do about each repetition for 10 seconds, 3 sets of them, and maybe the better you get used to it and the more strength that you find you have, then maybe 5 sets, 10 seconds, or you can do like 3 sets of 20 seconds on each repetition. Another thing that I would say is, obviously as a beginner or if you're advanced, so if you've not done any strength work for running or anything before, then obviously don't start doing these. Get a bit of strength first through your legs, and then start doing it.